behind the drying tunnel there's a bank, and behind that bank there's a tiny unused quarry, which is where I'd like to build the charcoal kiln. I need to bring the railway up there soon so I can get materials for the build, so there's lots to do. First of all though, there's a bank, some dodgy fencing and some low-lying trees in the way. My plan is to squeeze the railway through the bank and under the trees without harming them. I just need to trim them back a bit. While Tim the Builder's digger was here, I made a hole through the bank too. I even managed to not sideswipe the hawthorn tree. Now, there's already an old experimental charcoal kiln down there in the quarry that I built many years ago. I'll tell you more about that soon because it's quite an interesting design. In the meantime, back to the railway because there's lots of wood to process as well. So many jobs. The tracks are going to run straight up the field, along by the tunnel and beyond, with no junctions or curves, now that the timber heaps have been moved out of the way. I won't be able to do it all in one go, I just can't afford the materials, but I've enough to do a good stretch. And it's fun and very satisfying, and pretty quick. I started by levelling up the existing track ends and putting in some fish plates. After that, it's plain sailing along the flat bars. popping bolts through the pegs to hold everything up. Now, I know it's been a while since I did anything on this project, but it wasn't because I didn't want to. It's just been very, very busy here. Also, to be honest, I was distracted by other projects. But that's not really my fault. You see, there's just too many interesting things to explore all the time, aren't there? And of course, Sandra's been away for a while on her epic horseback trek from the north of Ireland all the way back home to where we live in the southwest. So I've been kept extra busy with more chores every day, as well as making a video for her every evening. You can see those over on our other channel. She should be home this week though, all going well. I just have to keep everyone alive until then. And I have been getting on with other things too, which I'm looking forward to showing you. Now, I did run out of pegs, so I had to stop and make another batch. And then it all went fine. It really is an easy way to make your own railway. I got 3 lengths of rail done, so about 60 feet in total, which brings me up a long way. I did this over 2 days. I've just finished, but I'm sure it could have been done in an afternoon if you had all the components ready and you didn't have anything else to do. Yes, I know it needs some ballast under the sleepers, but there are more urgent jobs, like testing it.